So I wanted to show you some ways that you can get some help on any of your math questions that you have if I'm unavailable at the time and you want to continue working on your practice. So say that you have a question that you come to and you really aren't sure even where to start on the question. Up here at the top right, it says question help. There are 3 different options on here to help you with questions and they're super helpful. So when you click on question help, the first choice that pops up says, help me solve this. And this is going to walk you through the problem step by step. Okay, so you're going to choose each part of the question, and it even tells you how many parts there are. And you're going to answer them step by step until you get to your answer. Okay, the other option is to view an example. So this will also show you different parts, but it's not going to have you fill anything in. It's actually just going to show you an example of how you would do a problem that's very similar. So once you continue, it tells you step by step how they would solve the problem, kind of like I did in my mini lesson, until you get to the answer. So then hopefully you would be able to go back and answer the original question. The other option is to view an animation. So this is going to be a video from Pearson that shows you how to solve the problem. They're really short. They're only about 2 minutes long. Okay, the other thing that you need to know about the practices is once you get to the end of your practice, okay, and you click next after the last question, this screen is going to pop up. It says review progress up here. Okay, it also says make sure you've answered all the questions before submitting your test. Click submit test to turn it into your teacher. So although this isn't actually a test, it's just a practice, you still need to make sure that you're submitting your work to me. When you see this screen right here pop up, if it says that a question was not answered, you need to make sure you click on view question and answer it until you get back to the screen. And then once you are ready, you need to click submit my work. Make sure you click that because that's the only way that I can review your work and say that you have completed your task for this day. Okay, also, let's go back to question 11. For those of you that have already started, you've probably noticed that why is there fractions in the middle of this metric practice? Every single practice buddy, independent practice, gives you 2 review questions. So this is something that we have already done this year. And number 12 is also something we have already done this year. Okay, so make sure you review your progress, you submit your work, and then you've completed your task for the day.